wanna see how we alone. Look how hard we try, nobody here we cry. Them not care for you over we alone. Been through the storm when the rain is on. We saw no one. We alone, yeah. We alone, we alone.
So guys, welcome back to another day with a newbie fam. So it's a brand new day. Today's actually Sunday. We're on the road. You guys can hear the heat blowing because it's so cold outside. How much degrees is it? It's cold outside. It's like really cold. But you know what? I'm not even complaining because we've actually had a decent winter. Winter hasn't been too bad. We haven't really had like a big snowfall. But aren't you the one who said it takes time to warm up? Remember the other day you were telling me that?
What take time to warm up?
When I had it blasting and you're like, you turning it up doesn't make it thing faster.
See, move fast.
First of all, look how much you're going and you're in this. So we're on our way to Home Depot to pick up our order. And then, yeah, so we ordered some stuff, so we're on our way there to pick them up. We were supposed to pick it up last night, but they sent the email so late because you gotta wait on like an email confirmation or an email pickup. Yeah, pickup email, sorry. And then they sent it at like 6:44 and they closed at 7. So I was like, by the time we got dressed and out the door, when we got there, it would be too late. So that's what we're on our way to do today. I don't know if work's gonna be done. I have some stuff from Amazon coming today as well for my room. So yeah, but honestly today's more of like a chill day for me because I got work tomorrow. I have 3 days of work, so I'm gonna try to just finish the little stuff that I need to do, and then I'm just chilling today. So we also got Nyla here. Nyla, Nana, say hi. You're not gonna say hi? Look. Nyla. No. Nyla. Are you rude? Look. You guys see how she's feisty? One no. Nana. Nai. She's actually, yo, Nyla. Whoa. Nyla's like different level of feisty. And she's not scared to tell you no. I'm trying to break her out of that though, but it's different. Anyways, so I actually, the Audi? You would drive an Audi? I wonder if the parts are expensive for Audis. Audis kind of remind me of Mercedes. I don't know, I feel like sometimes they kind of look the same. Or is that a bad comparison? They kind of look the same. An Audi? I thought you liked BMWs. And the Jeep. Remember one time you loved the Jeep and then you kept seeing them, and then I thought you said you liked the truck too. Oh. I low-key want to get a new car too. Like my car, I'm just gonna drive my car until it's done. But it's definitely time to upgrade. Definitely time. I'm gonna start looking soon. Even my mechanic was telling me like I need to. It's that time. But I'm just gonna wait until like the summertime, especially because we're on lockdown, so you can't even really go to places to look at cars. And I don't want to order nothing online. I want to be there physically to see what I'm buying. But hopefully summertime, God will, I can start looking for a car. Not even a car. I want like an SUV or a Jeep. I don't really want a car. I like big vehicles. They always say short people like big vehicles. And then I love the fact of having like but you have some of them that are scared. That's why I said are scared to drive big vehicles. I'm not scared to. You give me anything to drive, I'm driving it. I'm not scared to drive anything. But I also like the pickup trucks, like the Ram and those stuff. But I'm so short, so I literally have to jump up on the the little stool thing or whatever. What do you call it? The little thing to jump up, and then I think about Nyla and the car seat and all that stuff, and I'm just like, it's a lot of height. So the way how this thing works is like no one's allowed in the store because, as I mentioned, we are on lockdown. So they really have everything organized right now. So there's a whole bunch of sign that goes curbside pickup. Then you gotta like check in, and then you park in a spot. Then you go to email, click I'm here, and then you gotta put like your vehicle information and whatever number you're in. So also today I saw online that our government or our prime minister is trying to like really crack down on this coronavirus. Like, they're really trying to have this thing under control. So they're supposedly, there's a campsite. They're supposedly, I don't know how true this is because I didn't look into it yet, but they're gonna be setting up a campsite for people that travel back in. Like, they're gonna have to quarantine on that campsite. Like, again, I don't know how true that is, but that kind of sucks. But yeah, a lot of people, once they do the test and they get the negative, they think they're good to go. But in that present moment, you're good, but you never know. That's the thing with this thing. Ziggy, how's your shoulder?
Good.
Some people were saying how maybe it's the cold, and then someone was saying to get you fish cod liver oil. You ever had that before?
No.
Someone was saying to get that for you, so we could try that. And then someone was also saying to do the physiotherapy to see.
You know, I got doctor for some year or them have to say because the bone not supposed to stay so.
When she calls though, you can just like ask her, you know? I think honestly I feel like it just healed really bad. But we'll see what happens, and then, you know, we'll update you guys as well. Picked up our stuff. Picked up our stuff, and then we clean out in here. We had some stuff in here. So in my last vlog I showed you guys where Ziggy accidentally stepped and went right through the wall. It was over here, but they fixed it back now. What's that? Oh, this is what you're saying, huh? Something was going here?
I'm going to get the piece of the let's going back in the light. I mean, we'll get a metal one instead of plastic one. They have to probably go have to walk on it.
Oh, it's going in the middle of the floor? Oh, it can't go like in the corner?
Because I suppose there's some board there.
Oh, shoot. And it, I guess, no.
You can't cut it board. You might get a certain jill up and hold it out. And then you run it through, but then you have to lift up back over here and get more over here. But if it day, right just when you walk on it, that's how you walk on it.
Yeah.
Like so you get it straight, you probably go take it nice or so. I'm going to just get the flat one.
So today's smoothie consists of mango, strawberry, blueberry, raspberry, and blackberries. I was gonna add some apple juice, but I think I'm gonna add some water and just call it a day.
Mom.
Yummy. Do you like it? So I made hers a little thicker. This is mine, all blended up. I got this blender for Christmas from my dad. Literally a lifesaver. Such an easy thing to use. Literally just have to put the blender top on here, turn it over, put it on my blender. Smoothie. And then I can put a top on to drink it just in this. I love it, love it, love it, love it. One of my favorite Christmas gifts. Come this way.
Huh?
Come stand here. Come here. No. Why are you sitting? You're eating smoothie?
Yeah.
Say smoothie. Smoothie?
Oh.
Yeah?
I know you have.
Hmm?
I know you have chalks.
I actually just ordered some.
Chocolate?
Oh, I thought you said chalk. Mmm.
A fish?
Mm-hmm.
Is that a fish?
Yeah?
Would you like a minute?
to her face, so she doesn't want you here.
Oh no, Mama.
Go on, man.
Wow. Why my part looks so shiny? Okay, you don't have to dread to be Rasta.
It's a
Oh
juice.
my god. Yo, leave it up to Shauna to just be annoying.
Yeah, I
Nyla.
call myself a girl.
No, you have to know.
Tell her no. Say no, Shauna. Whoa. Say no, Shauna.
Yeah, no.
She says Shauna's name's so cute. Nyla, what's her name?
What?
Who's this?
Huh?
Who's this?
It's Emma.
So guys, this is Shauna. These are my braids. Meet them.
Watch them what? Are you ding dong? Well, watch them. Yo, late night cravings call for ice cream. Send my plate.
No pancake.
Pass the plate, man. He's just mad because he's not getting none. I only want one, like one thing. No,
Okay.
no.
Don't tell me twice. You want what you want, of course you can.
Every time I see Nisha on camera and they look food or night food.
Literally though, because the other day she was here eating too.
So I'm
Thanks.
going to eat
Stop. Stop.
It's actually a lot of ice cream. I don't really like ice cream, I think, but there's no option to not get ice
Who
cream.
remembers at the old house when they... Why is Nyla up? Do you remember when
Nyla's just jumping off the
Nyla...
bed
I ordered this and Nyla's like, Okay, but why are you acting bougie
But
eating
what I'm
with
saying, are you guys gonna eat this with
You're
this?
supposed to, yeah.
Actually
try
tastes
it?
good.
Come try,
Try
it.
it, please.
He's already eating cheese.
Are you high? This is so good when you're high.
We got some balloons here and Nyla's little bouquet. Her number 2 right here. We're not done yet. It's just a setup. This is my high school friend Shireen. We did our law clerk program together. Fun times. Yo, college days. The good old days. We can't share too much memories with you guys though. If you guys are interested in getting like, what do you do again? You tell them what you do.
Custom balloon decor, all party decor if you need it, but mostly I specialize in balloon arrangements.
So let me see your sweater. Let me see your sweater.
Oh, sorry.
Yep, this is how you spell it. Creative cluster. Let's
Creative
touching off her
clusters
boobies.
with a K.
Yep.
Put a dot in the middle. There's 2.
Yeah, so I'm gonna put all her information on the screen and in the description box down below. So right now she's just here setting up. And shout out to her because the way how I was going back and forth and changing up the dates for her. Setting up over here because we're gonna put a banner that says happy birthday here, and Nyla's high chair is gonna go right here with her cakes when we're singing happy birthday to her. But yeah, this is really cute. And I literally didn't really know what I was going with. I just told her this is the balloons that I have, and then she just, you know, bringing the vision alive. So yeah, the bouquet is so cute though. And she made it literally the perfect height. Because I'm gonna do a little photo shoot over here with Nyla. Hopefully Nyla cooperates. about to go pick up Nyla. I got the helium balloons. She's gonna be so excited. But this is one of her gifts. The rest of the gifts literally was all money, so it went straight to her piggy bank. But I can't wait to see her reaction to this. Hey, hey, hey! Wow! Oh, look, she put her hand over her mouth.
Happy birthday
To you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Nyla. Happy birthday to you. Wow! What's that? What is that? Is that yours?
Yeah.
Yeah? Wow! You like that?
Yeah.
You like that? What's that? It's a balloon? What's this?
Go Nyla, go.
Go sit on it, Mama. Go sit on it. Yeah, Kama doing a good job. Come sit here.
I think when to get her actual reaction, I think Keisha was just trying to pass.
Press this. Press this. What's that? You have to hold on, Mama. Hold on here. Hold here. Look at her face. Whoa!
Hold on, Mama.
Wow! Oh no!
I'll get the chair, that's why.
This girl won't let me fix her hair.
You gonna fix your hair?
Open it, Mama. Open it.
Oh my gosh.
It's right here.
Oh god, no.
Hey. Hey. What's that?
Wow.
Hey. Hey. What's that?
Like it?
Yeah. Open it. Look. Take it out. Uh-oh. Whoa. Say thank you.
You just hear it just now?
Oh,
You say thank you.
oh really? Wow. Is that blue? Open the present.
Look, there's something else in there.
Put it in the bag. Put the garbage in the bag. Say thank you. Say thank you.
Nice. Yay.
Food.
Say thank you.
Go on the train, Mama. Go on the train. Go on the train.
cupcake.
Chicken Z's here. Turn your hair back of your head.
What fondue?
Yeah.
Or is that one right there, Shauna? Is it Shauna? Yeah. What's that?
So shout out to Creative Clusters for the t-shirts.
Eat the cupcake.
Mommy Mouse. Daddy Mouse.
You want to eat the cupcake? You want to share here for lunch?
Yeah, what if I hear?
Here. Ooh, ooh.
You take a picture of Ziggy and Nyla alone.
Look.
You have to blow hard, Mama. Blow hard.
Nah, but you want
Blow, Mama. Blow.
I don't want it.
Don't want it?
Don't want it.